earlier you touched upon legal theatre. That is also another project that is launched and maintained by OSCEsmart. And how did this legal theatre contribute to your preparation in the SQE2, Celeste?
The first thing I found really useful was the mock session was quite difficult. I sort of thinking, okay, I took that as an opportunity for myself to learn. I put myself in the shoes of the interviewee, and I think if I got these questions, what I would answer. So it gave me the opportunity to do another mock test, even I didn't really, participate physically. That's the first thing I found. I gained one mock test. And the second thing I found was really useful is I see how the interviewee present his interview. The way she did was very different from my style, but I took every single bit which I found was useful, and then I incorporate into my approach going forward. So I thought was really useful. And then the third bit was the feedback in the end, because you and also Oliver, we both talk through all the knowledge bits and also skill pieces as well. I compared what I would say if I were there with the answers I received from you guys. And then I see, what's the gaps here, what I need to do. So in these three, aspects, I found really useful, even though I was just listening, and that was really, really useful.
Exactly. And that's the idea that was behind this project, legal theatre, to let the candidates watch another candidate, real life candidate, do an interview realistically without rehearsals, stumbling sometimes, failing to elicit some information, sometimes making mistakes and learning. But that also applies to the audience. The audience is also learning. So I'm really happy to hear that you somehow benefited from this without any fear, without feeling at risk, because you were not the one who was performing in front of everyone. So it was a low risk situation for everybody in the audience, but at the same time, it was another opportunity to learn. Yes, thank you. That was really something that makes all this experience very rewarding for us.